ready to build a website that not only looks incredible but is also lightning fast to create. We are going to show you how to use Relume style in Webflow to do exactly that. First, make sure you have the Relume library Chrome extension installed and connected to your Webflow account. This gives you direct access to hundreds of pre-designed components and sections, saving you tons of time. Now, start by dragging a navigation bar component onto your canvas. See how it instantly snaps into place. Relume style ensures everything aligns perfectly from the get-go. Pay close attention to the class names. Relume uses a clear and consistent naming convention. This makes it easy to understand the structure and style of each element and keeps your project organized. For example, section hereof 1, this dictates the section name, what type of section it is, and the version of the section. Next, customize the content. Simply click on the elements within the component and replace the placeholder text and images with your own. The Relume style maintains a consistent design aesthetic throughout, so your changes will seamlessly integrate. Want to change the overall look and feel? Relume style utilizes variables for primary and secondary colors. Adjust these variables in the style guide page and watch as the color scheme updates across your entire website. No more tedious manual adjustments. And just like that, you've built a professional website in a fraction of the time. Relume style empowers you to create stunning websites quickly and efficiently. Start building today and unleash your Webflow potential. Check the description for links to Relume resources